Those who intend to perform ablution should do it in the following manner.
The intention should be made in the heart to perform the ablution as an act of obedience to Allah and seeking His pleasure.
Then the person should mention the name of Allah by saying Bismillah at the start of performing the ablution.
The hands should be washed 1, 2, or 3 times at the beginning of the ablution, cleaning in between the fingers.
Next, one should rinse the mouth and inhale water into the nose and blow it out with a single handful of water if possible.
The entire face should then be washed at least once, from the upper part of the forehead to the lower part of the chin, and from ear to ear.
Then the arms should be washed, starting from the hands and continuing up to and including the elbows. The right arm should be washed first and then the left.
After that, the person should wipe over his head by passing his wet hands from the upper part of the forehead to the back of the hairline, and then back to the front of the hair where he began. Then, with the water that remains on the hands from wiping the head, he should clean the inside and the outside of the ears, going behind the ears with the thumbs.
Finally, the feet should be washed, starting with the right one, including the ankles and heels, and going between the toes with the pinky finger. The left foot should be washed in the same manner.
It is important to keep the above-mentioned sequence in order. It is important to perform ablution without any long interruption of time between each step. It is preferred to brush the teeth before starting the ritual ablution and prayer. It is also recommended to repeat cleaning the various parts of the body washed during ablution 3 times each.
However, it is also allowed to wash these limbs only once or twice each, as long as one does not exceed 3 washings. The only exceptions to this are wiping the head and cleaning the ears, which should be done only once.